Hey girl, how you doing, girl? Before we get started, why don't you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're always notified whenever I post another video, and give the video a thumbs up so YouTube knows that you want to see new ones. So in this video, I am continuing the process of heat training my hair, even through, you know, what I'm dealing with my body. We'll talk about that in a second, but as normal, I am using Old Faithful Olaplex, and this will be the last cut that I have to do from my last outbreak in my scalp from Hidradenitis Suppurativa. If you're confused because you're new to my channel, or maybe you just haven't seen those videos, then click the links in the description box if you are interested, or if you are concerned in any way, like, oh, your hair thinning or anything like that. Just look in the description box, look at that video so you can find out a little bit more about Hidradenitis Suppurativa. Okay, yeah. So now at this point, I am officially in the heat training process as it pertains to my hair. Why? Simply because I sweat so much in my sleep, or just through the day, right? I have a very active sweat gland. Literally, sometimes I wake up and I'm soaked in sweat sometimes, you know? Plus, I live in Las Vegas, Nevada, very dry climate. So with all that being said, if I want to limit the amounts of outbreaks I have in my scalp, it is imperative that I make sure that my scalp is always breathable. So right now you may be like, oh, that's heat damage. No, in a video coming very soon, I am going to explain to you the difference between heat damage and heat training. Right now I am heat training my hair. So again, if you want a detailed video on the difference between heat training and heat damage, let me know and we'll do that. But first, make sure that if you are not doing so already, you check the link in the description box below and you are following your girl. I'm the girl that I'm talking about. Following your girl on Amazon. As an Amazon live creator, I go live over there and I'm always featuring my favorite products. Most of the time it's like different hair products and skin care products, but I'm doing so many different things. Flash. What is this? Like, do you just know that I'm about to start trying on clothes, so you want to come upstairs to see? Is that what this is? I'm not complaining, I just want to know. Just asking. Just asking. But this is serious business. I love you, baby. I do. I love you too. This is another clothing brand that I will be featuring on my channel very soon, on my Amazon live channel, that is. But at this point, I have let the Olaplex 1 sit in my hair for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going in with Olaplex number 2. Okay, so for everybody else, if you're not a professional cosmetologist, then you would have access to Olaplex 0 and Olaplex 2, if I'm not mistaken. So, or no, Olaplex 3. I'm sorry, Olaplex 0 and Olaplex 3. If you want to know more about Olaplex 0, make sure you check all of the links in the description box below, you know. And if you purchase through the links below, it is a direct affiliate link with Olaplex. And when you purchase, you know, through my links, you know, your girl gets a little bit of commission, and I can keep on making more Olaplex videos for you. So thank you so much in advance for supporting the channel by using any affiliate link listed in the description box below yours. So now I'm going ahead and giving my curls a chance to bounce back. Now, this has nothing to do with my curls, because at the end of the day, the amount of curls you have in your hair is all pertaining to the amount of protein that is still in your hair, and of course the size of the follicle. But we talk about that in another video, link in the description box below, if you want to know what makes hair curly, right? But in this case, I am slowly taking the protein out of my hair. All right, so yeah, I will have, like I said, a detailed breakdown coming very, very soon, because there is a very big difference between heat damage and heat training. There's a difference between hair breakage from mechanical damage and hair balding from some type of issue, you know, disorder like HS. So yeah, I'm not gonna film the full shower session because y'all know how it looks when I shampoo my hair, but I'm going to go ahead and shampoo with Olaplex. Yes. Slowly but surely, you're coming along, sister girl. Now listen, y'all gonna listen to me one day. I have been telling people that Olaplex 6, I think it's 6, which is the smoother. I've been telling y'all that it is not a leave-in conditioner and a replacement, you know, for a heat protecting styling cream. I've been saying it for years, but nobody wanted to listen. But this is why me and Flash love Olaplex so much, because Olaplex listens to stylists and what we need. So guess what? We asked for a serum / heat protectant, and here we go. If there was a previous bond protector / heat protectant, guess what? Olaplex would not make 2 of them. They would not make 2 heat protectants and anti-damage hair shields or serums. They wouldn't make 2 of them, guys. They wouldn't make the same product. It just doesn't make sense. So this product right here, Olaplex 9, you guys will see coming very, very soon, as I explain to you how to use the entire Olaplex line properly. You guys, most of the problem and why people are not getting the results that they want out of Olaplex is because people just want to go buy products and like, I'm gonna use this for a leave-in and I'm gonna use this for a serum. No, okay? Olaplex up until this point, this last product that I just showed you guys, they have not had something that we can use in the silk press process. All right, we can use something like that we play with, but this is the first time they've had something. I did not use it in this video because by the time it was at my door, I was done filming. But you guys, it is coming, and I have proven this to you. Now you have the product. Wait, so even though I do hair, right, and I've been doing it for a long time, we just giving out a little bite. So as you probably noticed, I put the bigger ones around the edges. And look, don't ever feel bad. Just because I do hair does not mean that I get everything perfect every time, because I don't. And this definitely was not perfect. Let me go back to the hair. For this hair was $91.68. Okay, so this, I always demonstrate this before I use it because I really want y'all to buy it. D Maxwell, thank you so much for following me. So I always want to demonstrate this product before you buy it because I don't want you to give up. What in the world Santa had me buy? So look how it looks at first. You're gonna think it's an ordinary edge control. It is not. But this is what we about to do with it, right? So we taking that and we spilling it. Don't you do that. So look, when I put it in my hand, it was like that, right? But then when I add heat, finally these two are $10.98, but right now they're 9% off. So you can get both of these for 10 bucks, right? So first you put this on, and this is the Lash Blast Amplified Primer. So what you're gonna see, I'm gonna put this on my eyelashes, and my eyelashes are gonna turn white. They're gonna look freaking crazy. And then after that, once they're on there, then I'm
Don't fall into listen to them.